Hello everyone and welcome to Lavender Blue. I'm Fiona. I hope you enjoy this video, and if you do, please hit the like button and leave a comment, as this helps my channel and I love to chat with you all. I would also love it if you would subscribe so you don't miss any of my videos. You can also find me on other social media platforms and I would love to connect with you there. My link is always in the description box below. Now, let's get creative. Hi everyone, this is Fiona. Welcome back to my channel. It's been a week or two before since I've done a video. I apologise for that. I've sort of just been busy doing other things. And for those of you in my Facebook group, I didn't get time to do a freebie Friday last Friday, so I apologise for that. I will have a free printable for you tomorrow, being Friday. And yeah, in this video, it's going to be a really quick video. I just wanted to come on and do a quick flip through of a completed journal. And this one is pretty much a naked journal, so as in it doesn't have much decoration going on inside. I'm making sort of a series of blank journals, so this is the first one, and this one should be available in my Etsy shop by the time this video has gone up. So I'll just give you a quick look of how I've done the cover. So it's completely covered with coffee dyed paper, which I have stamped all over, and I have added some gel medium to give it a sort of a semi-waterproof finish, and it also makes it more durable. And on the front here, well, this actually ties closed. I didn't have that closed, sorry, but this is the closure. It's a bit of seam binding, which I have dyed with some spray inks. And then I have the metal book corners here and here on the front and the back. And I've added these little metal decorations. These, I got mine from Temu, but you can get them in any sort of craft store. I believe Spotlight may have something like this here in Australia. And then over the background page, I've just done a sort of a collage. I've got some black cardstock behind this image here. And this image of the black rose and the butterflies is from one of my printable kits. I think it's maybe just called Vintage Black Roses. I'm not sure, but I will put the link to this printable below, and it's the kit has just 6 pages, and you'll see the rest of them inside the journal. So yeah, some of the kits that I have like that, where they are just pages, and there might be only 6 or 7 pages, they're a really good opportunity to just make a blank journal. There's a lot of people out there that don't want all the stuff filled inside, and they just want a blank journal to write in or to decorate themselves. So that's why I've decided to do some of those. Plus, it's a lot quicker. I've got about, I think, 6 or 7 journals on the go, so I thought I would make them just blank writing journals. And then on top of that, I've put just a little bit of black lace, and I've got a little charm here that says Believe, which I've just hung on with a vintage bulb pin there, if you can see that. And then I've stuck on some little black roses that I had, a bit of book page behind there and there. And then this is a little clay doll. I make my own clay, It's called Cold Porcelain Clay, and this is what she looks like. But I've put that little black rose there as if she's sort of hanging onto it. And what I've done is the clay was white. So what I've done is actually made it look vintagey by adding some PVA glue mixed with coffee. And that's how I've done that. It gives you a bit of a vintage patina. And then I have varnished them. And I used clear nail polish varnish for this. I will be putting some of my clay dangles and things, charms in my shop. I haven't got these in there yet, but I'm planning on putting them on. And I also have a full doll, as in a full-length body. So these journals here I'm making with the full little doll on the cover. And I can also put these in my shop if any of you are interested. But I'll let you know when I do that. And I'll give you a closer look at them. So that's her down there. And then on the spine I just have some black lace. And then I have another cute little dangle that says Inspire. So I'll just show you inside quickly. Inside I've completely covered the inside with some vintage sewing pattern paper here. And then I've made a little window envelope pocket. And I've just done some stamping. I'm just making sure that I'm still in frame on the camera. And I've just done some stamping on throughout the journal. So we have a little library pocket here with a little library card. And this is just some of my ephemera that I found in my stash. I think they're probably some of my printables. I've used some of the vintage trading cards in here. Yeah, in the back here. The back also has the vintage sewing pattern. And this is from the vintage trading card kit, these three. And so is this receipt thing here. Well, it's a trading card. And I've put a little tag in there. This is from my basics kit, basics essentials. So I might put a little bit of ribbon in the top here. So these are the rest of the pages. There are 4 signatures. And in each signature, I have put, how many have I put? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 pages per signature. So then that becomes 12. 12 4s are 44, 88. So 88 pages front and back. So this is one of the pages here, and just at the front of each signature I've put a new page. That's another one here, and that's the last page here. That's the back of one of the pages. So then I've just got inside the front page, I've made a little pocket from the rest of this envelope, the piece that I cut off. I've put in here, and I've put in the slot pockets. That these were 2 weeks ago, Friday 2 weeks ago. These were the printable freebie in my Facebook group. I think they're also on my website. And they should be on my Ko-fi page, but if not, I'll go and have a look, and I will add them in. And I've stuck this one in in the pocket. Let's pull that out if I can. So this is the tall one, where we had the little cards that go in like this, the slot pocket. So that goes in behind. And then I've just put that one inside the pocket like that. And a little bit of stamping. throughout I've just done some, if you can see that or not, I've just done some stenciling, and it was a beautiful rose stencil, so I thought that went really well. I'll show you the stencil. That's this one here, which I think I ordered that from Temu. And then here I have a little old envelope that I coffee dyed with the original card inside. That's coffee dyed. I didn't stamp on the card. I might do that. I did a little flower stamp on the envelope. It's just really simple. And then this is a pocket from an old book page, and I've added another stamp there. So I haven't put it in, I've just tucked it over the top, and you could put something else in the pocket there. So they're just all tea-dyed pages with stamping, stenciling, just different colours, a bit of variety, more stamping. And it's the same throughout. Bit of stamping there. And I'll show you the stamps that I used in a minute. Here's some more stenciling. Those beautiful roses. And we flick through, it's all pretty much the same. There. And then on the last page I decided to make a little bit of a feature, make it look like a little garden of flowers. So that's it. That is my first blank journal that I'll have available if anyone wants to. You know, you could buy it and dress it up and do what you like with it. I don't mind if you want to decorate it and resell it or give it away to a friend, whatever you want to do, keep it for yourself. So that just ties up like this. So the stamps that I used, if you're interested, are this set here. They're wooden stamps, which I actually got these from Kmart. I don't know if they still have them. I think they do. I think I've seen them in there. Well, at least here in Western Australia. We still I'm pretty sure they're still in Kmart, but yeah, I'm not really sure about that. But that's the stamps that I used. Okay, so that's all I wanted to show you in this video. The links will all be below in the description. So thanks very much for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.